So I'm going to be showing you how to set up your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro for the first time. So the very first thing you need to do is, with the camera held like this, on the left hand side is going to be your battery chamber. So if you push and slide up like that, you're going to slide up that door and then you open it and then make sure you insert the battery. Now the battery does not come inside the camera. It's one of the accessories inside the box. You get it, unwrap it, and then you want to align these pins to the pins inside there and place the battery inside the camera, and then shut this door like this, push it towards the GoPro, and then slide down, and then it's gonna lock in place. Right, so that's the first thing you need to do. Now you don't have to put an SD card right now because this thing does have internal storage, but you want to go ahead and press this button to turn on the camera. So the camera is on, and the first thing you're going to see is a QR code. Okay, now with that QR code, basically you're supposed to scan it with your phone, and it's going to lead you to download this DJI Mimo app, which is the app you're basically going to use to set up your camera, and you can use it as a companion app for your camera. Now, if you don't have the Mimo app, you can go to your respective app store, so the Google Play Store for Android users, or the iPhone or the Apple App Store for iPhone users. So go and find the DJI Mimo app. Mimo app, right? So this app right here. So make sure it's installed on your phone. I'm just gonna update mine because I previously installed it. So go ahead and install this app and then launch it and sign into your account. Now, if you don't have an account, then you can quickly sign up for one. So now that we have the DJI Mimo app installed, let's tap on this icon right here in the middle. Tap on that, and you can see it's already detected this camera because it's on. Okay, so remember to keep it on, and then all you have to do now is tap on connect, and then there's going to be a code 6561. It should be a different code for you. Now, if the code is exactly the same, you need to tap on accept on the camera. Let me just swipe to unlock the screen. So tap on accept, and then now it's gonna get connected. So you have your DJI products terms of use, which you have to agree after reading, obviously, and then tap on agree. And then now it says activate your Osmo Action 5 to get warranty. So I'm just gonna allow access to Bluetooth, make sure that is turned on, and then tap on next. And then it says, of course, at this point now you're going to have to log into your account. Once you're logged in, just tap on activate, and you can see the camera is already on now. It says activating, send activation information to this device, confirming activation info with server. So it says keep the app open and do not leave the current page during activation. So let's just wait. So you have this DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro user feedback. So I'm just gonna close this because we haven't even used the camera. And it says activation success, congratulations, device activated. So now you can tap on get started to just get some instructions here on how to navigate this camera. And once you read everything, you can now tap on next. Of course, it's gonna ask you to update firmware regularly. So that's the first thing that's going to happen, firmware update. So let's wait for that. It's a 689.5 MB file, so might take a while. And the firmware update is continuing. So make sure the camera does not turn off during this process. So by default, it has an automatic shutdown button. So if the camera stays inactive for some time, it automatically shuts itself off. So that's one of the things you might want to turn off before you start this process. But since I've already started, I'm going to turn mine off after. So I hope this will go faster this time so that the camera doesn't shut down again. So once it's done, it will let you know both on the phone and on the camera itself. You can see it says updated. Swipe left or right to change shooting mode. So basically it's just giving you instructions on how to use the camera since the update is now complete. Okay, So it's updated. You can just tap on done, and that's it. You're now ready to use your camera, and it's updated and ready to go. All right, so these are just some instructions on how to use the camera, how to switch a few things here and there. It's just a process you have to go through. Okay, and there you go. So that's it. You have now successfully set up your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and also paired it to your phone using the DJI Mimo app. Now, your process should be much smoother than mine if you first of all go ahead and turn off the auto power off feature that automatically shuts down your camera if it's not in use. So that will make your process even smoother. But as far as the first time setup is concerned, that's it. Now, obviously, I'll be making subsequent videos on how to use the different features of this camera. So find the playlist and just watch through all the videos you need to understand the different workings and features and tips and tricks of getting the most out of this camera. Thanks for watching and good luck.